CSS, is a style sheet language famous for making websites look pretty. The typical CSS rule starts with a selector that can be matched to an element in the HTML document. You then use braces to create a declaration block that contain properties that change the appearance of that element. This is known as a CSS rule, but the tricky thing is that style sheets cascade. A style sheet might contain multiple rules that apply to the same element. This creates a hierarchy, and rules that are more specific will overwrite the rules of their parents. In addition, some elements will inherit the styles of their parent, but others will not. Ultimately, the browser uses the concepts of cascade, specificity, and inheritance to control which styles are applied to an element. To get started, open up a style tag in any HTML document. A selector can target all HTML elements of a certain type, multiple related elements with a custom class, or a single element with an ID. Now think of every HTML element like a box. The content is in the middle, followed by padding, border, and a margin. The amount of real estate used by every area in the box can be customized by defining properties like padding and margin. You can use tools like Flex Layout and Grid Layout to control how they flow together in a sophisticated way. It can also detect user interaction with pseudo-selectors like hover. CSS also makes it possible to add logic to your code with variables or custom properties